Hey guys, welcome to August Adventures. Today we will climb a rock. Okay guys, so we're driving to the giant rock. I don't want to say the biggest rock in Western Germany, but it's a pretty damn big rock actually. This will be my first video on this channel, and yeah, I just wanted to take you on adventures with me. As I work in IT and I'm enclosed in rooms all day long and I work with computers and stuff, I thought, okay, I will make a channel where I go out and I explore the world and I can take you with me. So just subscribe to the channel for more content and to support me. So here we are. It's a bit muddy because it rained the last few days. Here in Germany it's all about rain. So I actually feel really awkward talking to a camera in the middle of the forest, especially when I live in Germany and I'm speaking English. So I'm trying to get there in time because the sun is setting. The sun is just like over the horizon, and I hope we get there in time. So we will go left. It's actually getting really dark already, and I forgot to take a light with me, flashlight. So I hope we don't get lost in the middle of the forest alone. But it's not my first time here, so I just wanted to show you guys. But I hope the rock is not wet, because it's really, yeah, it's not hard to get up, but I could fall and break my bones. I actually feel really good in the forest, but I can only come when time allows, so I'm not that often in the forest, and yeah, that's the first time I go on a small hike alone, so I took the camera with me. Trying to be calm because maybe we can find some wildlife here. I actually don't look at the camera when I'm talking, so I need to fix that. I don't know, I just look around and I'm paying attention to things. Just look at this massive woods. So what actually happened, the water is draining to the direction of this rock we're heading to, and it takes everything with it. Dirt and sand and everything. Look at that. And it creates this natural sort of path. So it flows down here and it goes straight down the hill. So here the magic starts. We have those rock stairs, and you will see what I mean in a second. So that's where we came from, and that's where we are right now. So this is basically the giant rock I was talking about, and we will climb it now. If you fall down here, it's over. So guys, we're up, we're here, we're on top of the rock. I just use my small action camera because the main camera is too big and it will mess up my climbing. So I'm sitting here right now at the top of the world, and that's where we climbed up. It's really steep. And the rock is really big. People are just like putting stickers everywhere, and I'll just stand up. It's a different dimension up here. It's really weird. The trees are different, and so we can go up here and we are on top of the world. You can actually mess your hands up on those wires here. And they have those small parts that are coming apart here, and if you hold on it and you slide, you will get it through your fingers. And it happened once somebody put a tape on here because it was actually sticking out and people were holding on to it. You don't want to have that in your skin. So I will start taking out the drone equipment, and I will start taking some drone shots of myself. I don't know if I should go to the last part of the rock. It's actually down there, and you need to jump over a part that is not, it's really not secure, and I'm alone, I don't want to do that. You need to jump over a spot where you can fall down, and if you fall down, you're dead. I'm pretty sure you're dead. Look at this spot right there. I could go there and make the best picture ever, but it's really not secure, and I'm alone, and even if I'm with other people, I don't want to do that. I mean, it's crazy, come on. I don't want to fall down there and freaking die. my foot there and I jump like that. And that's the last part I was talking about. So it's getting pretty damn late right now. It's already almost dark. I will leave. I hope you enjoyed the drone footage. It was really hard to take the drone footage because I started flying and then I forgot to click on record, and I'll make my way down now because I don't want to be here when it's dark. It was a nice experience. I hope you enjoyed the content here. I just want to go home now. I'll make my way to the car. Look at that. You don't see anything. So I changed to my phone camera because it's way better at night. And yes, I'm almost there. Right there. There's like the last gate to my car. Finally, we're at the car. I'm so happy. So I'll just put the camera there. I don't care. And the bag goes there. Ugh. So guys, I'm finally in the car. It's really late and it's really dark. I just wanted to quit because I mean I was on top of this giant rock in the middle of a forest and nobody was there. I was alone. So yeah, I'm done for today. That's it for today. I hope you enjoyed the content and consider to subscribe to my channel so I can create more of this crazy adventurous videos. Oh, that's my clutch. Yeah. Need some oil. I'll go home, take a shower now. I'm really happy, and see you next time.